Michelle Teresa Imperial Gumabao, and I am representing Quezon City.
I am Eliza Flor Malinaw, usa ka probinsyana o proud Davaoeña.
Ako, si Maria Isabela Galleria, na representar kan probinsya nin Sorsogon.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! My name is Michelle Teresa Imperial Gumabao. I'm a professional volleyball player and I am representing Quezon City.
Mayong hapon sa tanan, ako dahil si Eliza Flor Malinaw, isa ka farmer o proud na professional model gikan sa Davao City.
Diyos marhay na hapon tabi sa iyo, gabos. Ako tabi si Maria Isabela Galleria, a registered nurse and a professional model from the province of Sorsogon.
I work as a host and a sports analyst for ABS-CBN, sharing the joy and passion of sports to all of our kapamillas nationwide. Who knew you could experience Mother Nature at the very heart of the city?
My goal is to champion sustainable tourism as a way to preserve the beauty of Davao. Through my lens as in life, I want to show you a more responsible and meaningful way of exploring my home.
Bilang sayo na rehistradong nurse, ang ako advokasya ay ang serbisyo sa salud. Naugma ako ng atong gobyerno ang tututukan niya ang makaskas ng dekalidad na serbisyo.
Sa City of Stars, Quezon City, nasa amin ang forever Commonwealth!
Ang akong pinakapaboritong prutas kay ang pinakalami o pinakahumot na durian gikan sa Davao City. Kay imong buhay, yun sa imong love life, permi ka orhe, kana na sa Sorsogon.